Hi, Deftones Riviere. Let's check it out. Riviere.
She hides the rose. She waits for a new face. Her arms red and injured.
Oh, this is therapy moment.
Wants to rest. She can't till we have faced. I've cut your armies down and torn
Include the clip of the Stranger Things character floating in there with the music in the background. That's how this feels. Oh my god. His voice, man. You know, if I was dying slowly and I was listening to music and this was my last song playing on my AirPods, I honestly wouldn't hate it. That would be such a way to go out with this type of song.